Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC is currently following the proposed microstructure that I shared with you in the last video yesterday. We talked about the possibility of extending even higher towards 115, 117 in this microstructure. I haven't changed the wave count, so we're going to zoom in a minute. I just wanted to share with you the relevant levels again, the relevant parameters, I would say, for the next few days. Normally I would say for the week, but things change so quickly in crypto. So we're dealing here with a potential 5-wave move up into the December highs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 1. Then this wave 2 pullback into the January lows. And it's possible that we're now in this larger third wave to the upside. This larger third wave to the upside consists again of 5 waves. So we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, a wave 3, haven't labeled it, 4 and 5. So that's sort of ideally how it would unfold. This wave 2 pullback could offer the opportunity to add to positions potentially for anybody who might have taken already some profits here. We are now still in the region of my sort of ideal target range. 4 weeks I've been highlighting the area around 111 to sort of 116, and we are there now. We had a little bit of choppy price action, so I think once one of our micro support levels broke, but then we took a step back and highlighted, okay, where are we now? Best not to add any more micro support areas, I think, until things get clearer, but instead leave that wave 2 support area on the chart there, and against which we can focus on higher. So the idea is we are still in this wave 1 of a larger third wave. The larger third wave should send us to $2.41 plus. Minimally to 212, but possibly higher. And the question, do we get a wave 2? I mean, again, we're in a third wave. We might get this wave 2. It just, all it does at the moment is showing you a potential. That potential might get realized by the market or not. Okay, there's just a potential in the chart. It's only a potential until we have a confirmed pullback. When do we get a confirmed pullback? I highlighted that in the video yesterday for you. We need to see a few levels break. So yesterday I communicated 98 cents, which is the small wave 2 low here, and 96.3 cents for further confirmation. Now with the latest structure, I'd say the first indication is actually at $1, basically $1.03, this small wave 4 low. That would be a first indication that the wave 2 pullback is unfolding, but better confirmation would be obtained with a break below 98 cents. Until then, all I can do here is to highlight the risk. Okay, if anybody entered, for example, down here, obviously you're now well in profit. So that means, okay, what's the risk to the next support? And that's 76.6 cents, the lower boundary line, because below that level I have to change the perspective on the chart. Yeah, until then, this is sort of what we need to plan for. But it is possible in a third wave that we don't get any deep pullbacks, and instead it's just grinding higher more directly, and we have a weird combination of 1-2 setups here, which is not very likely but possible, especially in a bullish market. Therefore, I tend to give you the level as well, that if we see a break above that level would confirm that we're already in the third wave of the third wave. So basically in the third of a third wave. When can we assume that? I mean, at some point we have to stop watching for this wave 2. And well, it is if we break above the 78.6 extension level. It's usually that level. And that is at $1.29. So if we get a convincing break above 129, it would suggest that we're already in a third of a third wave. And that we stop watching for this wave 2. Okay, so still I think it is a reasonable area to take at least some partial profits. I would not take all profits. I would actually leave probably the majority possibly in the trade. I don't know, but definitely leave still a portion in, because the potential is it's going directly higher. The trend is up, we're still holding the trend line. This is just a pivot at the moment. What does it mean? It's an area where the market with a high probability could start the wave 2, because the requirements for a wave 1 are basically fulfilled. Maybe we get another stretch higher. It would look quite good on the micro level, but there's no guarantee for a wave 2. It's just a potential. Yesterday I shared with you that we could get this one more high in wave 5 of 1, and this is what's showing right now. And made actually slightly higher high. Possibly if it breaks above that 112 level, we might get to 115. But yeah, and then 117. But it takes, I will keep that potential for the wave 2 on the chart until the price is broken above 129. then I assume we're already in the third of a third wave. Common target for the third of a third wave is the 100% extension level. It's the first ideal target at 153, but possibly higher. Yeah, so it gives you all the relevant levels and parameters. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.